I've seen some updates online that Sidrachain KYC will be coming to an end on the 5th of December, and that is roughly about 7 days from now. Is this true or not? We are going to be addressing that in this video, but that is not just what we'll be talking about. We'll talk about four main things. First of all, a lot of users have been unable to mine their coins. You click on the claim button, you try to do official verification, it's not working. I'm going to show you what and what you need to do. Secondly, for those of you that your KYCs have been verified and you're still unable to send your coins, you're still unable to transfer or to withdraw, I'll show you what and what you need to do. Thirdly, I will show you how to get your KYC verified online. Yes, very important. You realize that currently for you to verify your Sidra chain, you have to visit a physical center. That is what they instructed. But it is not everybody that can visit a physical center, especially with the insecurity in the country. This might not affect those of you that are outside of Nigeria, by the way, but with the insecurity in the country, if you don't have a center in your place, of course, you can't travel down there. Imagine the amount of money you spend and the likes. So there is a way you can get it verified online. I will show you how to do that in this video. Then we are now going to be addressing whether the mining will be coming to an end on the 5th of December or not. So in no particular order, let us first of all talk about the mining not working. If you notice, look at, I've been mining now and there's 15 hours left. So assuming my mining period has elapsed, I'll have shown you exactly how to do it. But since it has not elapsed and I have to make this video, this is what you need to do. Sidra chain currently does not have any issue. The mining is working well. So if it is not working for you, probably you're the one that is doing something wrong. When you come into your app, tap on the claim button. Once you tap on the claim, they are going to pop up. For those of you that you've denied Sidra chain access to your camera, and then they are telling you permission denied. The only solution is for you to uninstall the Sidra chain app and install again. Or you try it on another browser, on another phone. Anyone works. But if that works for you and the camera opens up, make sure that you are in a clearly lit environment. Possibly go out during the day. I do my own during the day when everywhere is bright. You put the camera on your face. The first thing you want to do is to blink twice. Blink naturally, just blink twice. After you blink twice, raise your head up, bring your head down, then turn your head right, turn your head left. Automatically, you start mining. That is what I've been doing, and it has been working so far, so good for me. Pretty simple and straightforward. Now, as for those of you that your KYC has been completed, but you're still unable to send out your coins, you're still unable to transfer, this is what you need to do. Come over to this wallet section here. Once you come over to wallet section, click on this token swap. Now, what you need to know is that once you complete your KYC, that does not automatically mean, I don't think this is where I'm supposed to go. Let's go to wallet, and I think it's Sidra swap. All right, Sidra swap. Now, once you complete your KYC, that does not automatically mean that you'll be able to send out your coins. No, you still have to wait for a period of 7 days. After 7 days, you will now be able to transfer your tokens. And at that, you still not be able to withdraw all of your tokens. For instance, look at me, I can only withdraw 180. This 180 Sidra tokens now is going to be converted into 179 Sidra digital assets for me. And you can see the next time I can perform this action is in 1 day time. That is tomorrow. So I have to come back tomorrow before I can do this. The last time I claimed was about 6 days ago. So I have to wait now. And if I also want to claim, you still have to complete a facial verification. Very important. The last time I claimed, I did a facial verification. So this is just the simple step. You come over to token swap, you put in the amount, and then you swap. Then you have to wait for another 7 days for you to swap more of your coins. And just in case, if you want to buy Sidra, I don't know why there are a lot of countries that are currently buying Sidra. If you notice, since the past 1 week now, Sidra price have shoot up. If you want to buy Sidra, you can send me a DM. I am currently selling any amount of Sidra tokens you want to buy. I will get it for you. And if you also want to sell, that is, you have enough amount you want to sell, or your KYC have been approved, you have Sidra you want to sell and the likes, you can also send me a message. I am going to buy from you. And in case you don't have Sidra, you did not mine Sidra, it is still not too late. I already made a video. Check the top of your screen here. In that video, I showed you how you can import Sidra token into your OKS Web3 wallet or your MetaMask wallet. So you can buy Sidra and deposit there. You don't have to mine Sidra for you to be able to to buy the coins. So that is basically that about that. Now, for the third thing we'll be talking about, which is completing your KYC online. Like I've said, if you see this my screen here, you can see a verification check mark. This my KYC was done online. And how did I do it? One thing you need to know is that for you to get your KYC complete, compulsorily, as what the Sidra chain said, you have to visit a physical center. But instead of visiting a physical center, you will still be able to do it online, provided you follow some simple steps. Now, this thing, you might not get it anywhere else. If you come to my DM, you of course you have to come to my DM. I'll give you a step-by-step guide on what to do. The first thing is you first of all have to look at this hamburger menu. You have to come over to this hamburger menu. Then you have to come over to this KYC port. Once you come over to that KYC port, this is another section of Sidra chain entirely that is for the KYC. Now, if you notice, look at mine here, verified. Your own will be showing something like pending, or it might be showing any message other than verified. What this means is that you made a mistake in your documents. For some years back, you noticed that some people got verified even before this physical center started. They got verified. That is because they submitted the right documents, they put everything correctly. If your own is not verified up to now, it simply means you did not put everything correctly. So what you can do right now, send me a DM. In fact, if you're unable to edit, let's come over, look at this identity verification. Come over to identity verification, and then they are going to show. Look at, I did my own twice. The first time I submitted the wrong document, look at, this is the wrong document that I submitted. It was under review. They didn't approve it. It was when I submitted this correct one that it now got approved. Now, if you notice, I cannot edit. You can only view details. If you cannot edit your own, send me a DM. You book an appointment with me. I'm going to help you. I will allow you to edit so you can submit the correct document. And then from my end, you cannot do this on your own. That's what you need to know. So whether you submit all your correct documents or not, you still have to book an appointment with Sidra validator. Once you book the appointment with the validator can now go through your document on his end and then approve or reject your KYC. Then Sidra will now have to go through it again to see if what the validator did was right or wrong. So that is where I come in. Once you have submitted your details correctly, you are even also going to record it 30 seconds because the main thing self they used to get people is when you visit the physical center, the person that is doing the KYC for you have to view you, like will have to video you live. So because of that, you're going to send me a 30 seconds recording of you. When you come to my DM, I'll provide you a sample of how you're going to do it. So once you record that video, you send to me, fill in your details. If you cooperate well, in 15 to 30 minutes, your KYC will be approved. In fact, using this method, I've been able to help about, so far so good, I've been able to help about 150 people to get their KYC approved. If you come to my Telegram channel, people will give you testimonies there. Almost all of them that I have there, I'm the one that helped them to do that KYC. So that is basically that about that in regards to completing Sidrachain KYC. And before I forget, to get my contact, it's simple. I don't give my contact out anyhow. So because of that, you have to come over to my Telegram channel. Let me show you. So this is my Telegram channel here. Currently, we are at 2K. My main channel was at, I think 7.7K or 8K before it was banned by Telegram. I don't know why they did that. I'm still appealing up to today. They've not answered, but we'll work on that. Now, when you come to this, my Telegram channel, you see this pinned post here, this pinned message here. My Telegram, my WhatsApp contact is there. So once you come to this channel, that is the first thing you do. You tap on that pinned post there, copy my WhatsApp number, message me on WhatsApp, and we'll get your KYC verified for you. That is basically that about that. Now, the last thing here is Sidrachain KYC truly coming to an end on the 5th of December? The answer is no. There is currently no official announcement from the Sidrachain team that the KYC will be ending on the 5th of December. Sorry, 5th of December. I made a mistake there. Now, although there are some rumors ongoing as regards to insider information that the KYC will be coming to an end very soon, probably somewhere in December or January, so that they can wrap up and TGE, which is the listing. So because of that, I'm going to advise you, whatever method you can use, hurry up and get your KYC verified. But as for the KYC coming to an end on the 5th of December, it is not an official news. Those are just rumors ongoing. So that is basically that about that. You can join my Telegram channel, join my WhatsApp community. Follow me on X. I do drop most of my updates there. A lot of airdrop updates, Web2 education, because basically what I do is onboarding people to the space properly, teaching you full tutorial what Web3 is all about, ways to make money in the Web3 space and a whole lot on that. In fact, if you want to learn personally from me, you can send me a DM. It is not for free. Even before I forget, this KYC also is not for free. We'll get you verified definitely, but it's not for free. You pay me for my time, and then for the slot that we're going to be using on the Sidra verification portal, you have to pay for that also. But definitely, you get verified. It is not a big amount. It is little. You can afford it. It is just for Nigerians. I currently cannot verify any country other than Nigeria. So if you're not in Nigeria, I'm sorry, you have to look for someone in your country to get you verified. Or preferably, you could even register as a validator in your company. If you want to know how to do that, check my previous videos. I already made a full tutorial video on how to go about that. So that is basically that about that. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon so you get notifications whenever we upload a new video, just like this one.